Wireless key charging uses electromagnetic induction, which is less efficient than wired charging, converting only 70 to 80% of energy, with the rest dissipating as heat. In cars, misalignment, vibrations, and high ambient temperatures worsen this, dropping efficiency to as low as 50% and causing significant heat buildup. This prolonged heat exposure accelerates battery degradation, potentially reducing battery lifespan. iPhones use thermal throttling, which reduces charging speed when the phone gets too hot, leading to incomplete charges and perceived battery drain. Issues are most pronounced in hot climates or during extended drives, with some users experiencing up to 20 to 30% battery drain overnight. To minimize overheating and battery drain while charging your iPhone 17 in the car, start by using certified Qi chargers from reputable brands. These ensure compatibility and efficiency. Ensure proper alignment of your iPhone on the charging pad. Even slight misalignment can increase heat dramatically. Remove your phone case during charging to improve heat dissipation and allow better contact. Enable low power mode to reduce background activity and heat generation during charging. If issues persist, switch to wired charging via MagSafe or Lightning, especially for long drives. Keep your car cool and well ventilated to reduce ambient heat that affects charging efficiency. Future iPhones may feature AI-driven thermal prediction and GaN chargers for reduced heat. Update to the latest iOS version, like iOS 18.2, which includes optimized thermal management algorithms. Following these steps should significantly reduce overheating and battery drain issues with your iPhone 17 during car charging.